In this very quick video guide, I'm going to show you how you can export from Maya and import into Armorpaint to create paintings or to work on the textures and materials and maps of your object that you have modeled inside Maya, and you want to move forward here with the unwrap, texturing, and painting and so on. So first thing I'm gonna do here is to create a new project so that you can also start from here, from scratch. This is the standard cube of Armorpaint, and we're gonna replace that with a model from Maya. Now this is from the course in Maya. This is an entire scene where I have modeled and also animated some of these objects inside the scene. So I'm gonna select this chair here, this armchair, and I'm going to go to File, Export. Now be careful not to export all, because in Armorpaint we usually work on one single object at a time. So I'm gonna export the selection. You can click also on this little square if you want to add some extra options. And you can export either in FBX or OBJ, both are supported by Armorpaint. Now in this case I'm gonna choose OBJ. So I'm gonna do export selection, choose a folder, and as you can see here, I've already exported this as armchair.obj. So we're just gonna go to export, and now we can go here to Armorpaint and finish the job. So I'm going to go to File and go to Import Mesh, because we are not importing anything but a mesh. And I'm gonna select the mesh from the folder here and open it, import, and that's it. Now the first part of the job is done. We have our model inside. We have exported the model from Maya. Now we can start to create new layers, and well, we can use this as Photoshop basically. So we can create a set of layers, and on each layer we can stack different effects and different things, like could be simple paint, could be an image, could be text, and so on. So if you check our video course on Armorpaint, you will find all different features of Armorpaint and tools, and you can then understand completely the software. Same thing about Maya. So we already have a material here. This is the base material, so I can start by inserting here a overall color. Now if I double click here, if I want to get the same color that I have in Maya, I can, well, I'm gonna just use this one here. So this is kind of a flood or bucket, so I can fill out all the object. And if I want, I can create new materials. And when I create new materials, I can double click and change the color right away. And I can paint in different ways my object. Now be careful, because the mapping here could be wrong, so we need to check the wrapping of the texture. So we need to do probably an unwrap and fix this, or else we can do it in Maya and then bring it in already mapped. But I can see here that there could be some issues with the mapping, so this is something I would definitely do in Armorpaint or Maya. You can choose one of those. But this is just a quick tutorial and video guide for you to understand how you can quickly go from Maya to Armorpaint. So if you're interested in one of the two software, you can find them. You can find video guides and video courses in our channel. And so this will be it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, you can subscribe. And if you want to support us more, you can join as a JBDTube supporter. And you can also write your comments, questions, suggestions for other users. Again, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.